Howdy folks, today we're going to take a look at the top of the truck and go over all of the changes and additions we've made along the way. If you came from our first tour video, you will notice a significant change. Unfortunately, due to a catastrophic mishap with our custom solar panel frame that was attached to a Thule rack, we decided to go with something a bit more stout. We chose to outfit the truck with Front Runner racks and accessories. This upgrade was quite an investment, with the racks and brackets totaling $2,452.85 and the accessories totaling $1,146.22, including taxes and discounts. Here you can see a list of everything that was ordered from them. We decided to purchase a rack for both the cab and the cab to be able to accommodate our three 100-watt Renogy solar panels, plus additional accessories. Installation wasn't terrible, but it did require drilling holes into the cab of the truck. So if this isn't something you are comfortable with, I'd suggest hiring a professional. We did run into a snag with trying to mount our Thule awning. The first set of awning brackets Front Runner sold us were not compatible with the awning, even though they said they were. Unfortunately, I did not get around to installing them until way past the return period, so they would not take them back, but they did offer me a discount on what they said were the correct ones. Unfortunately, even the second set of brackets were not a perfect fit, so I had to make some custom inserts to securely accommodate the bolt pattern of the awning. So be aware if you are looking to install the same combination. Using the Zamp solar panel mounting brackets, I was able to mount two of the Renogy solar panels to the cab rack and one to the cap rack. One important thing to consider is to make sure any other accessories do not cover or cast a shadow over your solar panels, because it can have a dramatic effect on the efficiency of the energy collected from them. As you can see here, I had to customize the decking for the cap rack to accommodate the MaxxFan Deluxe roof vent. I used aluminum angle to span between the full pieces of decking to support the cut pieces and made sure to bolt it all together. On the front of the cab rack, I mounted a 42-inch Firehawk LED light bar. This thing is pretty bright and really helps light things up at night when traveling in remote areas. On the side of the cap rack, I mounted a ratcheting shovel mount and an axe bracket. These work great with the D-grip camp shovel from Front Runner and a Fisker's X15 splitting axe. Since redoing my plumbing system to use Front Runner's 20-liter Pro water tanks, I store a tank on the cap rack using Front Runner's Pro tank strap. This works well because not only do I have access to water outside of the truck that is gravity fed, I can hook up a water hose and easily fill the tank mounted in the truck without having to swap them. Next to the water tank, I store a small 11-pound propane tank using Front Runner's propane bottle holder. On the passenger side of the cap rack, I have enough room to mount a Front Runner Typhoon bag using two Strachets clipped to 4 stainless steel tie-down rings. Lastly, I keep a Cub Pack storage bin strapped down using two Strachet shorties clipped to 4 additional stainless tie-down rings. I utilize the Cub Pack for extra storage space. You can never have too many places to store things in a truck cab camper. In the Typhoon bag, I keep an additional Cub Pack bin and my little red campfire. The additional Cub Pack bin is perfect for storing fire starters, a small hatchet, leather fire gloves, and cast iron cooking accessories. With all of these additions, it has definitely upped the Tramper's overlanding capabilities to the next level. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Please hit the like button if you found it informative. Stick around and check out some of our other content. If you're not a subscriber, please do hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified of our future posts. It definitely helps us out. Until next time, Godspeed.